Why is entropy called the arrow of time? Imagine walking into a room where everything is perfectly organized. Now picture that same room after a few hours. Things are scattered, messy, and unpredictable. That change is what entropy measures. Entropy is a way to tell us how disorganized or spread out energy and matter are in a system. When everything is neat, entropy is low. When things are messy, entropy is high. The second law of thermodynamics says that, in an isolated system, entropy tends to increase over time. This means that natural processes move toward more disorder without any extra effort. For example, if you drop a glass, it shatters and stays broken. It does not spontaneously reassemble itself. Ice melts in warm water and does not turn back into ice by itself. These are examples of processes that increase entropy and happen in only one direction. Because entropy always increases in an isolated system, it creates a kind of timeline. This timeline points from states of low entropy to high entropy. That's why we call it the arrow of time. It shows us which way time flows. Even though the basic laws of physics are the same whether time moves forward or backward, the overall trend of increasing entropy makes time seem to move forward. This idea helps explain why certain events happen in order. Heat flows from hot to cold, not the other way around. Living things grow old, not young. Chemical reactions go toward equilibrium, not away from it. All these processes are driven by the increase of entropy. So, when we say entropy is the arrow of time, we mean that the natural increase in disorder gives time a direction. It makes the past different from the future. The past has lower entropy, and the future has higher entropy. This difference is what makes time feel irreversible and why we remember the past but not the future. In essence, entropy links the microscopic world of particles to the big picture of how time moves. It shows us that the flow of time is not just a feeling but a fundamental part of how the universe works. That's why entropy is called the arrow of time, because it points us in the direction of increasing disorder, shaping the way we experience the passing of moments.